how to delete both your search and watch history on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will simply guide you on how you can delete both of your search history as well as your watch history on the YouTube app. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, it is not really simple to actually delete and get rid of your search and watch history, because if I tap on the search box, you'll be able to see a list of searches I've made. I can only delete them one after another, but what if I want to delete all of them and even my watch history? For that, all I have to do is just tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you'll come to this page over here where you have to navigate to settings. And then once you go to settings, you'll find an option under the connected apps that says manage all history. So you want to make sure to just tap on the manage all history button. When you go to manage all history, first of all, I want you to come over to the controls tab from the top of the screen. Over here, you only want to make sure that you include your searches on YouTube and include the videos you watch are actually ticked and selected. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is just come back to history again. Then over here, you'll find this delete button. Just tap on this drop down delete button. You can see you can delete the search history and watch history for today, or for a custom range, or for all time, which means since the time you've opened up your account and watched all the videos. So to get rid of it, just tap on the delete all time button over here. It'll ask you for a confirmation that you would like to delete the following activity. Ignoring that, just tap the delete option from the bottom right, and all of your search history as well as watch history made from this very Google account is going to be deleted successfully. This is simply how you can get rid of your YouTube search as well as your watch history. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.